So guys, I'm doing a slime video today that I made slime with cornstarch, but it didn't come out that well. Like, it came out okay. But I mean, it's not really slime. See, because you can literally just grab it with your hands. My hands are full. You can just go like that. Yeah. See, it's like rock hard. See, it's not even slime. I probably should stir them more. Speaking of that, let me go get it. Mom, I'm gonna put a little more on.
Yeah. 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 I mean, it sucks that you're gonna have to wait. Like, that's gonna be really shitty, that part. But I think overall, because you have a lot of
which is really hard to stir because it's dry. Let me just stir with my hands.
Greg does his pills through the mail, and they give him, now his isn't narcotic, it's a benzo, but it's still a controlled substance, and they normally send him a 3-month supply at a time. So I don't know how they'll do yours, you know what I mean? Yeah. You'll have to go through that with them. Yeah, because that's not right. That's not right. Susan, you should have been able to go, okay? You should have been able to go. Drop your script off. And say they only had partial and decided to do a partial fill for you. They should have given you your pills as soon as they came in the next day or 2 or 3 days. Not tell you, oh, it's too soon. The doctors didn't write your script for 3 weeks at a time and then fill the last week. You know what I mean? That's not how your script's written. Yeah.
Slime, a little bit of soap. I mean, I put some soap in it, which should work. Comment down below in the description if I should put some more. I put some water in or cornstarch because I made this with cornstarch.
Yeah. Like I said, you might wait.
I'm gonna start. Go on my account, Joseph364 on Instagram. Go follow me, and I'll give away the slime for free. So who's ever the first one to comment and go follow on my Instagram account will be awesome.
Listen, I'm going to tell you something.
And I'll
I've been Phillips for
give you this slime.
I've never in my life heard of that. Ever.
Okay. Got this.
That has never happened to me. They're lucky that it didn't happen to me. Because
Oh, there it goes.
you on the other hand, you'll wait. Me.
It's smooth. Now it's smooth. Really? It has to fall when I'm in a middle of a video. So I got it now. Like it's.
Guess what? I am so ready. Guess what? I've counted this thing. I forgot all about it.
Okay, want to say some more? It's gonna make it like.
Nope. Nope. I'm telling you. When you're vegan, it looks more like.
It's gonna make it better.
That's when you know it's half long.
It's really sticky, kind of, as you see. So I'm trying to get it like.
That just saved my ass really bad. I didn't even.
Okay.
Guess what? Joe was the one who called me. He was all mad because he was going to do. He was at the bank getting a check from Mindy, the counselor. So he was real ignorant to me. He's like, "Yeah, for your counseling." So, well, I forgot I even had counseling. And furthermore, it's going to be a bad counseling session. It's going to be Gina.
Oh, there it goes.
Because Mindy is confronting Gina with all the stuff.
Got
that's
it.
Going on.
Okay, so
That
now it's not
saying
hard
and
anymore.
things that Gina's been
Like,
doing.
you just need to
So
put a
it's
lot
going
of
to be a
this.
bad counseling session.
It's more like this side, like on the sides a little bit, but now it's like slime.
They're screaming. I mean, screaming. It was so inappropriate, and I'm just sitting there trying. And you know my temper. You know how I get. I was sitting there trying to compose myself, but my blood was boiling really bad, and I wanted to curse her out. But Natalie was right in the waiting room. So Mindy said to Gina, she said, when Natalie asked what all the yelling was about, what are you going to do, throw Bobby under the bus again? So here Gina ended up telling Natalie. Natalie did ask what all the screaming was. Gina went and told her it was the counselor. Told Natalie that it was Mindy back there screaming. She told Natalie that Mindy was back there screaming at her, and that's not what happened. It was Gina back there screaming. Natalie told me that Mommy said that Mindy told her to shut up, and I said, no, Mindy never said shut up. She's a therapist. She wouldn't talk like that. I was sitting right in the room, so I knew what was said.
Got it. Do you think I should have more disso? I don't think.
Remember going to counseling 3 years ago, okay? And this week she came to my house and she was like, why can't we just go back to Trudy? And I said, Natalie, I thought you didn't remember counseling 3 years ago. How would you know the counselor's name if you didn't remember? Gina's trying to get the counseling changed back to where we went 3 years ago, which was in West Reading. But the courts are the one who ordered Mindy. So she's not going to get it changed. And Mindy has been a therapist for 8 months. They're not going to change it.
I think I put a little too
And
much.
the simple fact, you want to change counselors and you haven't even paid a penny towards it. And you want to change counselors.
I feel like I should have more cornstarch.
It should only $1,000. It's $900. Oh, and guess what Natalie said about that this weekend? She said, Mommy didn't tell you because somebody took all her money out of her bank account. So when I asked Gina when she came to my class, and I asked her for payment again, and she said, something's going on and my attorney already knows about it. I looked at her. That has nothing to do with the last 8 months and you not paying a penny. What?
I'm doing a YouTube video.
I'm just looking at
No.
the slime.
No.
Slime. I need to, like, it's hard, but I think I should add more cornstarch. Let me go get the cornstarch.
That would work.
Mom, I'm gonna add more cornstarch to it.
You got it. You got
No! Don't touch it! Go! Hunter, can someone, Cam, can you watch over my slime for a minute so she doesn't get it because I need to get something? And it's a YouTube video, so you can say hi.
What's in your bag?
Ice.
What is it? Oh, ice.
Listen,
Listen, you can't touch that because
food.
yeah, we know you can't. That's too messy. Wait, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Wait, no, Sky. Sky, say hi.
Hi.
You're not Skylar.
Bubbles. Bubbles.
Yeah, they're bubbles.
Wiki.
Wait, no, leave it.
No. Cornstarch, move.
Mom, I